Freelancing is a way of working where individuals offer their skills and services to various clients, rather than being employed by a single company. This career path offers incredible flexibility as freelancers can choose who they work for, what projects they take on, and even their working hours. The autonomy to make these choices allows for a more personalized work-life balance, which is highly appealing in today's fast-paced world. Freelancers have the unique opportunity to work on a diverse array of projects, which can lead to rapid skill development and greater career satisfaction. This variety ensures that work remains interesting and challenging, pushing freelancers to constantly learn and adapt. Moreover, working with different clients from around the globe exposes freelancers to new perspectives and ideas, enhancing their professional and personal growth. Despite these hurdles, with the right approach and mindset, freelancing can offer a highly rewarding professional life. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends and drop a comment below. We'd like to hear from you. Starting a freelance career can be daunting, especially for beginners. One of the most significant obstacles is finding initial clients. Without an established portfolio or network, attracting those first few clients can feel like an uphill battle. Additionally, new freelancers often struggle with setting the right pricing for their services, balancing competitive rates with fair compensation for their time and skills. Building a portfolio is another hurdle. In the beginning, with limited or no work history, showcasing your capabilities to potential clients can be challenging. Beginners might find themselves accepting lower-paid jobs just to build their portfolio. Time management is another area where beginner freelancers often stumble. The freedom that comes with freelancing can be a double-edged sword. Learning to manage time effectively is crucial for sustaining a successful freelance career. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are invaluable for beginners. They help find work and build credibility. Create a compelling profile highlighting your skills. Take skill tests to validate your capabilities. Start with smaller jobs to build a track record. Accumulate positive reviews for more opportunities. Over time, finding work becomes easier. Stay persistent, continuously improve your skills, and keep your profile updated. The opportunities will grow as you do. Identifying and focusing on a specific niche can greatly enhance your success as a freelancer. A niche is a specialized area of expertise that targets a particular market or type of client. By honing in on a niche, you can become an expert in that area, making you more attractive to potential clients. Understand your target audience. What are their needs? What specific problems can you solve for them? Tailor your marketing materials to speak directly to this audience. Highlight case studies that showcase your expertise. Content marketing is powerful for promoting your niche. Create valuable content to establish authority and improve visibility. Networking, both online and offline, is essential. Effective self-marketing strategies. As a freelancer, marketing yourself effectively can make or break your career. An impactful online presence is crucial. Have a professional website that clearly communicates your services. Social media is another critical component. Use LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter to engage your audience. Networking is one of the most effective strategies. Build relationships for collaborations and new projects. Time management and productivity tips. Effective time management is essential for any successful freelancer. Start by establishing a daily routine. Set specific hours for work, breaks, and personal time. This structure helps in maintaining a work-life balance and reduces the risk of burnout. Use tools like Google Calendar or Trello to schedule your tasks and deadlines, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Prioritization is key. Not all tasks have equal importance or urgency. Learn to assess the impact of each task and allocate your time accordingly. Techniques like the Eisenhower box can help in making these decisions more systematically. Avoid multitasking. While it might seem efficient, switching between tasks can actually reduce productivity and increase errors. Automation tools can also save valuable time and money. Before we continue, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what type of freelancing you're interested in or any challenges you've faced as a freelancer. Your insights and experiences can help others in our community. Success stories of freelancers. Many freelancers have transformed their careers and achieved significant success. Take the example of Sarah, a graphic designer who started freelancing with small projects on Fiverr. By consistently delivering high-quality work and engaging with her clients professionally, she built a strong reputation. Today, Sarah runs her own design studio and collaborates with major brands around the world. John, a software developer, utilized his niche in mobile app development to carve out a successful freelance career. By focusing on this specific area, he attracted clients looking for expert skills in mobile technology. John's dedication to continuous learning and quality improvement has made him a go-to developer in this competitive field. These stories illustrate that with the right strategies, dedication, and a focus on quality, freelancers can achieve remarkable growth and success in their careers. Building a strong reputation for success. Building a strong reputation is crucial for long-term success in freelancing. This starts with consistently delivering high-quality work. Meeting or exceeding client expectations on every project not only leads to satisfied clients, but also increases the likelihood of repeat business and referrals. Always ensure your work aligns with the client's objectives and deliver on time. Clear communication is another pillar of building a strong reputation. Keep your clients updated on the progress of projects and be transparent about any issues or delays. Effective communication builds trust and shows your professionalism, making clients more likely to do business with you again. Seeking feedback is also important. After completing a project, ask for feedback. Financial management for freelancers. Effective financial management is critical for maintaining a sustainable freelance career. Start by setting up a separate bank account for your business to better track your income and expenses. This separation helps in managing your finances more professionally and simplifies tax preparation. Budgeting is essential. Understand your regular expenses such as software subscriptions, internet bills, and office supplies, and plan your finances accordingly. Also, set aside money for taxes and unexpected expenses to avoid financial strain. Tools like QuickBooks or Mint can help in tracking and managing your finances efficiently. Planning for irregular income is another challenge. To mitigate this, aim to build a financial cushion that can cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. The path to a rewarding freelance career. Embarking on a freelance career is both exciting and challenging. It offers the freedom to choose your projects and clients, the flexibility to set your own schedule, and the opportunity to work from anywhere in the world. To succeed as a freelancer, focus on continuously improving your skills, marketing yourself effectively, and building strong relationships with your clients. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your freelance business, embrace the journey with passion and persistence. With the right approach, freelancing can indeed lead to a fulfilling and lucrative career. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Remember, your freelancing journey is what you make of it. Stay determined, stay creative, and success will follow. See you next time, and happy freelancing!